Y'all, as you can see, I just went grocery shopping, but I just wanted to come on here just to share with you guys. For the past year, I have been doing some additional grocery shopping with adding extra food and stocking up because I was led to scripture about how we will have food shortages. And there's been so many different confirmations throughout this year that have confirmed that this is the time that we are in, where we must be wise in how much we are spending, how much we are stocking up. Making sure that you're stocking up your cabinet, because there is going to be a food shortage, and you may notice that already. When you go to the stores, it is hard to find certain things within the store. So I say that to say, if you don't have the money to actually purchase everything all at once, don't worry about that. Just every time you go shopping, grab some additional things, some dry foods and some dry beans, and stock up your cabinet. Because this is the time that we are facing, and we just got to be wise in what we are doing. So I've been doing it for the past year, and we're currently almost running out of space of where to put things. But I definitely wanted to share that in encouragement to you guys to be aware of the times that we are going in, and stock up your cabinet. Buy you some extra food, dry food at that, frozen food, just in case there's something that we face. You want to be prepared. Okay, y'all. So I'm no expert, but I definitely wanted to share with you a few things that I am pretty much doing for stocking up. So what I've been doing is I'm having to reorganize in order to get all of these groceries stored in the cabinet and in the refrigerator. And as you can see, I kind of already have everything in there. One thing that I have been trying to break away is from eating out all the time. So I've been finding little small healthy meals to make. My grandmother, she just made some spaghetti. So we've been eating spaghetti yesterday and today. But I also went grocery shopping and I bought some healthy things. One thing that I did was I got this big bag of jumbo shrimp from Walmart. I usually shop at Publix or Kroger. But because I'm definitely trying to save as well as trying to keep food in the house, I had to use wisdom by shopping at Walmart. So one thing I will not do is buy my fruits and vegetables from there. I will stick with Publix or Kroger's, especially because shopping at Walmart fruits and vegetables, I haven't had a great experience. So what I'm doing is I'm pretty much cleaning out of the refrigerator, wiping shelves down, as well as I'm taking the time to restructure our freezer. As you can see, it's already in there, but I'm kind of reorganizing and restructuring things. So I'm on this journey, and I just encourage you all to take this journey with me. I want to be sure that I'm saving money. I also want to make sure that I'm making healthier decisions with my food choices. So this is something that I'm making sure that I'm playing out. But I am so grateful because we are extremely blessed, okay, to even have food in our fridge. And that is one thing that I really had to stop and say, God, thank you, because we aren't starving. But I definitely want to be sure that we are storing and being considerate of how much we're eating and making sure that we're saving food for later. So, in the meantime, you can watch me as I am trying to reorganize and restructure our fridge. Also, I wanted to say, too, I am a fresh produce type of girl. So I love fresh fruits and I love fresh vegetables. So this is going to be a mind shift for me to learn how to cook more frozen vegetables. But yes, it's been a challenge to be sure that I am cooking fresh frozen vegetables. I want to be sure that I cook frozen vegetables. So it's a mind shift. You know, we got to be wise. And one of my personal goals is to be debt free. So I'm doing whatever I got to do to be debt free. But I like to eat healthy. I live with other family members. So one thing is that I had to definitely be sure that I buy more food that they like. So we got some snacks up there. One of my favorite snacks is popcorn. I love popcorn. So definitely a bag of popcorn is something that I go to when I want to be sure that I'm not eating too many calories. But this is my guilty pleasure. All right, let's finish cleaning. So in our pantry, I take and organize and took the canned goods out, but also restructured what all of the dry foods into our pantry. And close the door to that. And then in the freezer, once I've organized and put everything in there, as you can see, I stocked everything and put them in the drawers, in the cabinet, and on the shelf. We have absolutely no room to put any more food. And here is the fridge. As you can see, our fridge is filled with fresh foods. As well as we have condiments in here. So that is about it, guys. I'm so thankful I got to finish reorganizing and putting everything where it needs to go. And now I just have to be intentional with creating the right meal so that I can be sure that me and my family can eat wisely to make sure that this food lasts. So be sure to like, comment, or share this video if it was very helpful. But most importantly, comment down below if this was helpful or beneficial to you. I definitely plan to share more ways on how I prepare myself for things to come. That was one thing that was my focus this year, was to be sure that I am intentionally preparing myself for the life that I want. So it's causing me to go in and restructure some things, get rid of some things, organize some things, but most importantly, execute some new things so that I can see better results in my life. So do be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video if it was helpful. All right, see y'all next time.